In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hanging indent in your documents using a word processing software. A hanging indent is a format where the first line of a paragraph sticks out to the margin, with the subsequent lines indented. This style is widely used in bibliographies and certain types of academic writing. You might find this useful when formatting works cited in your papers or organizing information in a clear, easily readable manner. To begin, you'll need to select the paragraph or paragraphs that you want to apply the hanging indent to. It's important to have your text highlighted so the formatting changes will apply only to those specific parts of your document. You can select multiple paragraphs at once if you need the same formatting for a large section. Next, navigate to the Home tab on your toolbar. This is usually located towards the top of your screen, and it contains many tools for editing text, including the font style, size, and paragraph settings. Once you're there, look towards the bottom right corner of the paragraph group. You'll see a small arrow icon. Click on this. Doing so will open the paragraph dialog box, giving you more detailed options for modifying your paragraph settings. With the paragraph dialog box open, ensure you're on the Indents and Spacing tab. This is where you'll find the tools you need to adjust the indentation. Under the Indentation section in this tab, locate the drop-down menu labeled Special. By default, it might say None, meaning no special indentation is applied. Click on this drop-down menu and select Hanging from the list of options. Choosing Hanging will set your selected paragraphs to have a hanging indent format. Now, you'll notice there is a field right next to the Special drop-down, labeled By. This is where you decide the depth of your indent. A common indentation size is 0.5 inches, but feel free to adjust this according to your specific needs or the guidelines you're following. If you want your hanging indent to be deeper, you can increase the value. Conversely, if you prefer a more subtle indent, you can decrease it. Just type in your desired value or use the small arrows next to the box to adjust the number. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click OK at the bottom of the dialog box to apply your changes. Your selected text should now display the indentation style you chose. It's as simple as that. You can always go back and adjust if needed, using the same steps to make further changes to your document's format. Creating a hanging indent in your documents is a straightforward process that, with a little practice, will become second nature, helping your documents look professional and well organized.